Vivan, this exhibition, as we know, is uh, coming out of the writers' protest in solidarity with the writers' protest that happened last year, and several artists came together. So, my first question is why do you think it was important to respond to the writers' protests, and how do you think was solidarity forged between writers and artists in this with respect to the particular protest that happened last year?
Yeah, I think that the kind of violence, on a creative writer and a rationalist was so extreme and terrifying in its scale. And of course, the establishment tried to deny that it was something that is that they would condemn. And of course, people all across the board, and mainly writers, understandably, protested and gave up their various awards that they had received. And I think that from the very start, SAHMAT has had a very strong presence of visual artists contributing for the cause, for various issues. And I must say, over all this period, they have always been very forthright in identifying with the open-ended position and platform that SAHMAT creates, and always given with great generosity and creativity. And I think this is one of the very fine recent examples of it.
Vivan, a lot of since we at Indian Cultural Forum and NewsClick deal especially with cultural politics, a lot of commentators say that these are two separate domains, and a kind of so how do you think that the cultural practice involves itself, and how can it involve itself with politics? And this, can you explain it to us, especially with respect to arts and artists, since you're an artist who is also politically committed?
Well, obviously, it is that visual arts don't have directly a text which then can be used in different ways. But I think that visual arts image has a way of lasting and actually remaining in the mind's eye for much longer than one realizes. And people recall it when they're moved by it. They might not have words to say what it said, but certainly it makes an impact. And even at the level of abstraction, but here there are very direct slogan is given. And I think that the diversity of voices in the visual image is of great importance, and it comes through to a large spectrum of people, and certainly to people who are thinking and reading and needing such images. And I think that these images have a way of embedding themselves in the visual consciousness of a modern, progressive, secular citizen.
Thank you so much, Vivan.